Hello everyone. Today we'll start with the topic physical properties of amines. So we will be talking about the physical state, odor, solubility and color under the physical properties of amines. So first let us start with physical state. So the lower aliphatic amine means the amines which have less than 3 carbon atoms, they are gaseous. Then if we move on to higher amines, that is the amine which have more than 3 carbon atoms, they are liquid in state, in physical state. And more higher a number of carbon atom, then they will be solid in physical state. So this was about the physical state of amines. Then if we talk about the odor, so amines are usually fishy odor, okay, the foul fishy odor, fish like odor. Then when it comes to color, so they are usually colorless. For example, aniline and aryl amine compounds, they are colorless, but when they are oxidized, if they are stored for longer duration, then they get oxidized and they get colored. Okay, so this was the color. Now let us talk about the solubility of amines. So the lower amines, they are soluble in water. Why? Due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, as you can see here. So this is amine, this is primary amine. It is making the intermolecular hydrogen bonding with another amine molecules. So these are all amine molecules and they are bonding through the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, right? So the lower amines are soluble in water. But as we increase the number of carbon atoms, so due to hydrophobic nature of alkyl and aryl group, what happens that solubility in water decreases, and thus you can see that the higher amines are soluble in what? They are soluble in organic solvent like alcohol, ether and all. And now if you compare the solubility of amines with alcohol, ether, alkane, or with among the primary, secondary and tertiary amine, then let us see which will have the highest solubility. Also we will be talking about the boiling point based on the solubility, right? So we have discussed about the solubility, that as the number of carbon atom increases in amine, the solubility of amine decreases in water due to less number of because there is no chance of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, also due to the increasing hydrophobic nature of alkyl group. Now we move on to the boiling point, that how boiling point is affected if we take primary, secondary, tertiary amines and compare it with the alcohol and what alkane of the same or similar molar masses. So these are the compounds and these are their molar masses. So you can see that they are all the same or similar, 73, 72 and 74. So they are in the same range. And now we will see their boiling point. So the first one is what? This is a primary amine, right? So this is a primary amine and this is what? Butane amine. Okay, okay, butane amine. So because there are 4 carbon atoms. The next one is the secondary amine. So it is ethyl ethane amine. Okay, so it is ethyl ethane amine. The next one is what? This is tertiary amine, because the nitrogen is connected to 3 alkyl groups, right? So this is tertiary amine. So this is dimethyl ethane amine. Now the next one is alkane, simple hydrocarbon. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. So it will be methyl. So one is here methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 and butane. So 2-methyl butane. It will be 2-methyl butane. Then this is alcohol, this is butanol, right? So now let us see which will have the highest boiling point. So the alcohol will be having the highest boiling point. Why? Because there will be intensive intermolecular hydrogen bonding in alcohols because this oxygen have high electronegativity, due to which this OH is very polar in nature, and that is why it will form the intensive hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and hence its boiling point will be high. So its boiling point is around 390. Okay, now comes the primary amine. Now primary amine also makes intermolecular hydrogen bonding, but its intermolecular hydrogen bonding strength will be less than the alcohol, because the nitrogen's electronegativity is comparatively less compared to the oxygen atom, right? So it will have something somewhat less boiling point than alcohol. So it will have around 350 Kelvin. So these are in Kelvin, right? So this is the approx boiling points. Okay, so this is around 350. Okay, now comes the secondary amine, because the secondary amine also have one hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom, so it will have also intermolecular hydrogen bonding, but less than the primary one. So it will have around 330 Kelvin boiling point. Okay, then comes the tertiary amine. Here there will be no hydrogen bonding, because there is no hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom, right? So this tertiary will have less boiling point than the secondary one, so it will have around 310. And then comes the uh, uh, this is alkane, so it will have the least boiling point, because here there is no polarity. Okay, there is no nitrogen atom also, so it will have the least boiling point, right? So this was about the physical properties of amine. So we have discussed their physical state, color, odor, solubility, boiling points. So I hope you have understood this topic very well. We will meet in next lecture. Thank you.